Let's go over the new Synty Horror Asylum pack. Affiliate link is in the description below if you want to support my channel, and go ahead and check it out. It's currently 30% off and available for another almost 6 days. So I already have it loaded up. First thing we see is this amazing intro that says Asylum, and we see their giant mansion. We also see these outside house pieces that are just background mesh. If you go through them, there's nothing there. Perfect. I see these in games like Phasmophobia, and I just really want to go over this pack because I love horror games. I was thinking of doing something about Horror Engine, Unreal Engine, pretty soon, and I just want to go over this pack because I love horror games. I play a ton of Phasmophobia, Outlast, Lethal Company, even though that's not really a horror, but it can be scary at times. And yeah, so we have this old school looking ambulance for the criminally insane. All right, perfect. Let's go in. So it starts off with the reception. And man, I just love how lively this level looks. Synty does an amazing job with their level design skills. It's actually freaking amazing. Rats make me crazy. Okay. Nice, a broken lunch tray. Oh, and there's actually cockroaches. What? Nice. Live cockroaches. Oh, that one just spawned. A kitchen with blood coming out of the stove. Oh, that's a little sus. Health inspector isn't gonna like that one. All right, what's this? Nice, an outdoor area. Let's just go straight ahead to this door. Whoa, long open hallways to get chased down by something. A hospital. We don't really, I'm guessing they don't take insurance. And now let's go up the stairs. There's a security camera staring at us. So, pretty long stairway. What the? Oh, this is actually giving me Left 4 Dead vibes. Okay, I kind of like that. I don't know what that head thing is on that wheelchair. Let's go in here. Okay, more hospitals. Get out. No. And another one. Be happy. Okay. Bathroom. That looks, ooh, that looks kind of cool actually. That's actually really creative. I like that. Oh God. I hope that's rust. Yeah, never mind. Okay, wow. Where the crazy people stayed before everything went down, I guess. This room actually looks kind of clean. Nice gas tanks. A little bit of drinks. Shots. A wheelchair to pop a wheelie. What the? Wait. Oh, okay. I thought that was a barbecue grill. That's not a barbecue grill. Unless. Hey, what is this? You think I didn't notice you, huh, Synty? What is this? Oh, okay. It's a ceiling. Okay, this room is giving me Five Nights at Freddy's vibes with this whole security setup, and it also has two little jail cells and a what is this? Chess or checkers? Okay, checkers and the colors of chess, in my opinion. And yeah, this pretty much covers the Asylum one. But man, these are freaking amazing. I just love what Synty does with their level design. Their level design is insanely good. I like this outdoor area. I love the whole mix and match. Oh, what? Okay. I guess the outdoor area is pretty big. I like the storm. I like the lightning that shows up in the sky. I think that's super cool. Love the effects. Oh, and I didn't even notice this. This is what is this? Why is there just a random room here? All right, let's go check it out. Okay. It's a little dark down here. Holy crap. There's a whole underground level that I probably would have missed if I didn't like go outside the map to see what's available. Holy smokes, what is this? This is a whole new vibe. Whoa. Spooky. Oh, okay. A little bit of Dexter vibes. Oh shit. This isn't this isn't your normal oven. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm kind of tempted to use these assets to redo the demo level of the horror engine just to go over it. I think it's pretty sick. And that pretty much covers going over the Asylum brought to you by Synty Studios. If you want to check out the affiliate link, it's in the description below. Like, comment below what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.